There's the cardinal. There's Bum Bum. Oh, there's Bum Bum. Another bunny. Pretty. Cute, I should say. Don't eat them. You get worms. They got worms right now. Eat them in the winter if you want. Big old rabbit. Pretty. Some white coloring on them. They'll probably run in a minute. Of course there's trash. Let's walk back here. I don't get no poison ivy. Oh, there went the cardinals. They just flew right by me. Like, there they are. Oh, there's people's houses right back here. But this trail goes all the way down here and it gets thick. It gets real thick. And it's just gonna get real thick, and I don't feel like getting covered in ticks, so we're not going back there. I'll stay out in the open, just seeing what I could see. It's just crap behind these houses. It opens up back there. There's a power line cut down over there, and all the deer and wildlife go back there. It's like a little private hangout. It's pretty cool when they come out in this field here. I just see a cardinal right there. He's right around here. Hold on, he'll come right here. I thought I was patient and just sat. But I'm not. It looks like a fresh deer tracks. I wasn't even looking. Yep, there's one. Right there. There. That's coyote shit right there. Little deer trail. Boy, it's thick in there. That's just a little bitty spot, but boy, they can hide good in that thick shit. It is thick. Look at these vines and shit. Oh, there's Bun Dude. Bun Dude. On Father's Day, Dad's Day, Daddy's Day, as old Dooley was saying. And I want to say one more quick shout out to the other John, Crash, my buddy, Crash Magnet, fellow truth activist, whatever you want to call it, sick of the bullshit. And he's in the Sandy Hook area. Oh, there goes Bun Bun, getting it. Alright. Oh, there's cardinal. Dude, there you are. This motherfucker don't like getting filmed. He just went in a whole circle. He's looking for his mate. I just saw her a minute ago. God damn, I got dizzy. Alright guys, hope everybody's having a good Father's Day. I don't have my son today. It's not my weekend. He already called, and they got a bunch of family stuff lined up. There's other families there's some deer shit right there. Let's see, I got this thing. There's some deer shit right there, little piles. They look like them single little pellets. You know what that looks like, guys. Here's some more. They just walk and shoot as they go. That shit looks like nasty. Tar, probably because they eat all these goddamn chemicals. Anyway, you totally like to hang out up here at night. They got the cover real close. Kids come up here and hang and party and whatever shit too, back here in the woods, and I'm sure do other stuff. So if I was a teenager, I'd be doing it too, huh? Pretty cool little area though. There's these little woods and stuff all around here. Really didn't know it was there. I got off my fat lazy ass and started looking. Anyway, they're having a family day over here, and I don't know, I was just bored. I get sick of being on that fucking computer, man, even though I enjoy it, and you know, research and watching your all videos and learning and other stuff, fun stuff, whatever. I get fucking sick of it, man. Just fucking get bored as hell. And I don't know, had to get out of the house, broke, so I ain't going nowhere really. And I don't know, I got something to eat here in a little while. I'm about to fucking pass out. Go! Oh, is there a big fucking protest over there and a fucking soccer deal? I don't know. I don't know about that soccer shit anywho. I don't know about none of them fucking sports anywho. No, I do know. It's all bullshit. Who cares about that fucking bunch of grown men and women playing little kid sports? You fucking kidding me? Pay millions of dollars and crybaby like little kids. Fuck them. And you got a bunch of fucking Americans and other people around the country who live and die for men and women playing little kid sports, acting like little kids, and crying and whining and throwing tantrums like little kids. Distraction, people. It's like the gladiators, especially football. Oh, did you hear? David Rockefeller's son died well, he was a doctor and he was good and he was over there helping the Ethiopians and all that shit. Yeah, we know who the Rockefellers are, and we know who you are. David Rockefeller's son. I don't have his name offhand, but he died in his own plane crash. He was flying his own plane and crashed. Good. Fucking piece of shit. Fucking dad probably had him killed. Probably found something else out. Yeah, they're all in on it, man. It's just thick. When you got that Satanism blood running in you, or whatever, that shit's thick. So he must have had an accident or fucked up, or maybe killed himself. Maybe he couldn't take it no more. Who knows? But anyway, fucking rotten hell, you piece of shit, and I hope it upset his fucking father. But I doubt it. I doubt it. Anywho, I'm out. Peace.